Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to solve this lab exercise in Python certification course where we have to write a program using if, elif and else statement. Okay, so the scenario given is if the year is not divisible by 4 then it's a common year. Otherwise if the year is not divisible by 100 it's a leap year. Otherwise, if the year is not divisible by 400, then it's a common year. Otherwise, it's a leap year. Okay. Along with these conditions, is also asking us to print if the year does not fall into the Gregorian era, then we have to print not within Gregorian calendar period. And is giving the hint that we have to use not equal to and percentage operators. Okay. So let's start our code. If year is less than 1582, then print not within the Gregorian calendar period, right? So we have to print this. Elif means if the above condition is false, then it will come to the next condition. That is the characteristic of elif. Elif means if condition fails only, it will come to elif. Okay. That means here is greater than 1582 and we'll go by these four conditions. Okay. If the year is not divisible by 4, then it's a common year. Okay. So year, then percentage for not equal to 0, then print common year. Okay. Common year. Right. Then elif. Elif means the above condition is failed. That means what? Year is divisible by 4. Okay. Here is divisible by 4 and the second condition if the number is not divisible by 100 then it's a leap year. Okay. Then here not divisible by 100. Okay. Not equal to 0 then it's a leap year. Okay. Print leap year. That means what? If year is this fails, it comes to here, right? So here is divisible by 4 and here is not divisible by 100. Then it's a leap year. Okay. It should be divisible by only 4. Okay. Then it's a leap year. Then if it is also fails, it will come to the next elif condition. Okay. That is here is not divisible by 400. Here is not divisible by 400. Okay. Then it is common year. Okay. Print common year. Okay. That means what? Here, here is divisible by 4, here is divisible by 100, and but it's not divisible by 400. Then it is a common here. Okay, right? Bracket is here. Then this also fails. Then, okay, it's a else condition. It's a leap year. Okay, print year. That means what? Here is divisible by 4, and here is divisible by 100, and here is divisible by 400. Then it's a leap year. If the year is divisible, not divisible by 4, okay, then it's a common year. If the year is divisible by 4, okay, and not divisible by 100, then it's a leap year. Okay, and if the year is divisible by 4 and divisible by 100 and divisible by 400, then it's a leap year. Okay, guys, hope you understand. It's a bit tricky. Then we'll run our code and see. So we'll enter a year which is less than 1582, then not within the Gregorian calendar. Then we'll go by the conditions given by him. Let's say 2000. Okay. 2000 is the leap year because it is divisible by 4 and it is divisible by 100 and it is divisible by 400, right? Next, we will go by to 2015. So 2015 is a common year because it is not divisible by 4. Okay. Then we go to the next one, 1999. So this is also not divisible by 4. That's why it's a common year. Okay. Then 1996. 1996. Then it's a leap year because it is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100. Okay. And we'll take a condition where the year is divisible by 4 and 100. Okay. It's a common year because it is divisible by 4 and divisible by 100 but not divisible by 400. That's why it is a common year. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyani Tutorials for more such amazing Python certification videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.